Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is TalatWaheed. I am going to be your instructor in this Python course. Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language. First of all, see the course curriculum. First, Python introduction. What is Python? Why Python? Use of Python. Features of Python. Python installation. Strings, operators. Okay. Then conditional statement, loops, list, and tuples. Okay, after completing this course you can develop web application, you can develop game, and you can develop desktop applications, and you can automate tasks, and you can use Python in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, after end this course we will make mini project like to-do list app, which is web app. In this app we can add task, we can delete task. Okay, so second, sending email using Python. We can send an email using Python. So third, dice roll simulator. In this project we will make simulator of dice roll. Fourth, random password generator. In this we can generate a password randomly. Okay, so next, timestamp. I will add timestamp in each video in description below, you can check it there. Okay, next, what is Python? So let's see what is the definition of Python. Python is high-level interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented scripting language. It is simple and easy to use, portable, extensible, built-in structure, and also it is open source. Okay, so it's also easy for beginners to use and learn. Python can be used on server to create web applications. Python was created in 1991 by Waheed. It is extremely attractive in the field of rapid application development because it offers dynamic typing and dynamic Python. So Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It uses the elegant syntax. Hence the programs are easier to read, highly portable, runs almost everywhere. In fact, NASA actually uses Python when they are performing their equipment and space machinery. Okay, so what is Python used for? It used to build websites and software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Uses of Python in real world. So for web development we have frameworks like Django, Flask, Pyramid. And for game development we have games such as Civilization 4, Disney Toontown Online, Vega, Strike. These are games which have been built in using Python. Okay, so in machine learning and artificial intelligence, like libraries like Keras, Pandas, NumPy, and other are suitable for machine learning. Okay, it is used in multiple AI solutions like advanced computing, image recognition, data processing, etc. Okay, in data science and data visualization, libraries such as Panda, NumPy help you in extracting information. So desktop GUI, we use Python to program desktop applications. In web scraping applications, helpful in various real world processes such as price comparison, job listing, research. Okay, so what industries use Python? Instagram, Facebook, Google, and Spotify, Dropbox, and Netflix, and Quora. These are using Python in their software. Okay, so features of Python. Python is high level interpreted and simple language which have object oriented and which is open source, and expressive language which have large standard library. Okay, so Python is easy to learn, easy to read, and easy to maintain. GUI programming. Python supports graphical user interface applications that can be created and ported to many system cells. Okay, so just like Windows, MFC, Macintosh, and the X Windows. So file name extensions .py, .pyc, these are the extensions of the Python. It supports functional and structured programming methods as well as OOPS concept. Okay, so it provides very high level dynamic data type and support dynamic type checking. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. So let's see how we can install Python. Okay, so just open your terminal, command prompt, check Python is installed or not. In this, Python is not installed. Okay, just write Python download. I have downloaded Python for Windows 11. Okay, just click on python.org. This is official website of Python. Okay, click on download. If you have Windows, then you can install it for Windows. Click on Windows. If you have Linux, then click on Linux. If you have Mac OS, then click for Mac OS. Okay, I have Windows, so I have 64-bit, so I am choosing here download Windows installer 64-bit. Okay, so it's installing here. This is exe file. Okay, so just click install Python 3.10.4 64-bit. So just click add Python 3.10 to path. Okay, so just click on it and click on install now. Okay, so it's installing here, installing, initializing, setup progress. Okay, so it will take few minutes. If you want to learn about MySQL, then you can check my channel. I have added MySQL playlist there in Hindi also. Okay, you can check in there. So it's installing. It will take few time. Okay, setup was successful. Just click on close button. Click on close. So our Python is installed now. Click on search button and search for Python. Okay, click on Windows search and write Python. So Python is installed now. That's why it's showing here. Click on Python. So this is Python command shell. Okay, and this we can write our code. Just write print in parenthesis in double quotes hello world. Okay, this is a string hello world. We can write with single quotes also. Okay, output is hello world. Okay, so just write, let's suppose print Python is installed now. Okay, in double quotes Python is installed now. Okay, so this is our output, Python is installed now. Okay, got it. So let's download code editor Pycharm and just go to jetbrains.com, official website of Pycharm. Okay, so click on download Pycharm. Okay, and just click on community, which is free. Click on download button. Okay, it's installing here. It will take few time. Okay, so you can install Pycharm for Mac OS or Windows. Okay, so just double click on it and it's opening. Welcome to Pycharm Community Edition setup. Click on next. Destination folder. In this folder our Pycharm is saved. Okay, click on next. Create desktop shortcut. Yes, click. Update path variable. So just click on it. Update context menu. Yes, click on. Okay, click on next. Click on install. Okay, so it's installing here. It will take few minutes. Okay, if you are new here, so just write comment and like my channel and also subscribe to my channel. So it's installing. It's complete now. Click on finish. Okay, our Pycharm is installed now. Click on Pycharm, write Pycharm, Pycharm Community Edition. Click on Pycharm Community Edition. So this is our Pycharm. Okay, so click on I confirm that I have read the accept the term of agreement. Okay, it will take few minutes. Okay, our Pycharm is ready to use. Okay, so just click on new project. Okay, and just write your project name. I am writing here Python program. Okay, so just rename it Python program. Okay, so this is our environment and this is location. In this location our program is saved. Okay, and click on make available to all projects. So it will available to all projects. Okay, so create a main.py welcome script. No, I don't want it. So disable. Okay, click on create. So it will create new project, name Python program. Okay, it's creating now. It will take few time. It's creating. Okay, our project is ready. Okay, our Pycharm is ready to use. So just click on our project. I have created Python program. Okay, so just click on it, left click and click on new and just click on Python file. We have to create Python file. So write whatever you want. I'm writing here first program .py. .py is extension of Python. Okay, .py. So our file is created here and just write our first program. Print in parenthesis in double quotes hello world. Okay, so just click on run. Okay, it will show our output hello world. So hello world is printing here. Okay, next let's write another print in parenthesis in double quotes. This is first program. Okay, you can write it in single quotes also. Okay, so just run it and hello world, this is first program. Okay, this is our output. This is first way. And second way, we have to click on our file and click on left click and click on run. This is second way. Okay, so hello world, it's printing. So second editor is Visual Studio Code. So I am downloading it for Linux. You can download for Windows and Mac OS, whatever you want. Okay, so it's downloading here, Visual Studio Code. Okay, please like, share and comment in my channel and also subscribe my channel. It will take few time. It's downloading 21%. Okay, it's downloading 97%. Okay, 98%. Download manager downloading. Okay, 99%. Okay, 100%. So download is completed now. Show in folder. Click on it. Show in folder. Okay, and double click on it in this file. Okay, install app with Linux. The Linux application will be available within your terminal and may also show in an icon in your launcher. Okay, so click on install. Click on OK after installation. Okay, installation in progress, 96%. So installation complete. Okay, so click on OK and check it in Windows. Okay, so Visual Studio Code, open it. This is our theme. You can check, you can choose whatever you want. Okay, and click on next section. Learn the fundamentals. Click on next section. Okay, boost your productivity, mark done. Okay, this is simple setup. Okay, click on mark done. So our Visual Studio Code is ready to use. Okay, so click on new file and you can add whatever your file